So in a previous video, we learned that the imaginary number is noted as I, and it is the square root of -1. We know that this number cannot be plotted on a number line, and also that it cannot be simplified further. But look what happens if I square I. So I squared would be the square root of -1 squared. And that simply is equal to -1. Now if I take the cube of I have the square root of -1 cubed, which is equals to the square root of -1 squared times the square root of -1, which is equals to -1 times I, or simply -I. And if I raise I to the 4th power, I have the square root of -1 to the power of 4. And that is equals to the square root of -1 squared times the square root of -1 squared, which is -1 times -1, which is equals to +1. So what we are seeing is that I is equals to the square root of -1, that I squared is equals to -1, I to the power of 3 is equals to -I, and I to the power of 4 is equals to +1. So a rule that we can use is if I raise I to the power of 1n, that will be equal to the square root of -1. If I raise I to the power of 2n, that will be equals to -1. I to the power of 3n would be equals to -I. And I to the power of 4n would be equals to +1.